Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another wig install, and today's wig is from Nadula Hair Amazon. I'm showing you guys their beautiful 7x5 by knots lace closure wig. Now this lace is super thin and it does come pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached, and it also comes with the baby hairs done for you already. As you guys can see, it is a beautiful water wave texture, which you guys know is super easy to maintain, super easy to style. This wig is 100% human hair, 150% density, but she's not too thin, so I'm thankful for that. And I also have this wig in 24 inches. This wig is definitely beginner friendly. It's super easy to install, you guys, definitely easy to maintain. So I feel like you'll be able to hold on to this wig for a good amount of time. So I really feel like she is worth it. And for 24 inches, she is $209, which honestly, I don't think is too bad. And by the time you guys see this, there probably will be a lot more sales going on. So stay tuned for that. As you guys can see, I'm giving you some close-ups of the wig unit per usual. They did send some tape adhesive, so if you would like to use that to lay your wig down, you can, but it's not really necessary. As always, I'm going to start off with some foundation and throw the wig on. Make sure everything is centered and fitting okay. Now, what I will say is that this wig cap was fitting really nice on me. It fit very well over my ears. It felt very nice and secure as well, which you guys know I was super happy about. And that lace was looking amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and just use my wax stick and my comb just to make sure that the lace area is all clear, because I am going to add just a little bit of spray. Now this is optional, you guys. You do not have to do it if you do not want to, but I always like to add a little bit of spray because it just gives an extra little oomph. You know, it just helps the lace to melt even more, and even if it's looking good, why not do something that'll make it look even better? Plus, I was going to work after I installed this wig, so I wanted just a little bit more lace melt, that's all. But you guys do not have to do it if you do not want to. I don't want anyone to feel pressured, and I know a lot of girls don't like to have to use spray or glue. This wig is meant to be installed without spray or glue, so I just want to throw it out there. Now this is a 7x5 lace closure, you guys, so if you decide you want to switch to parting style, you can. That's what I'm showing you guys here. I do just want to point out that I left it at a middle part because they already have like these blunt baby hairs, and a middle part was going to look best with that. I'm not really, you know, a fan of side parts with hefty baby hairs, so that's why I was like, well, I'm just gonna leave it at a middle part then. But I wanted to show you guys that you can switch it around if you choose. Now I'm just adding some foundation, and I'm also going to touch up those baby hairs. So here is a close-up, you guys. It's looking really good. I really do like this lace. This is probably one of the best laces that I've had in a while, because y'all know I've been sent some wigs where it's like the lace is like, it could be better. So this one was actually really good, so I appreciated that. Now it's time to style the rest of the hair. This is a water wave texture, so it's going to be a 1, 2, 3 quick done type of deal. This is why I love water wave textures. I finger detangled on dry hair first as usual, just to get some of the shedding out the way, and then I just went in with some minimal water, and I'm also going to top it off with just a little bit of gel, just to kind of refresh the hair a little bit. Now the hair did not have any tangling issues. It did not smell. It did not have too much shedding. I would say the shedding was more so on the minimal side, so no complaints regarding the hair quality for me. This is 150% density, and you guys know that I normally complain about that, but honestly the hair still felt very full, so I don't have any complaints. Okay, you guys, we are finished with today's wig install. Comment down below, let me know what you are thinking about this wig unit. I know a lot of you guys are going to jump on this ASAP. This is a perfect wig to have for everyday wear because it's super easy to maintain, you guys, and the less you have to do to it, the longer your wig is going to last. So that's why I always encourage you guys to get wigs that are going to be beneficial to you and easy to wear, easy to install, easy to maintain, etc. Don't get anything that requires a lot of work, especially for everyday wear, okay? The direct link will be listed in my description box down below, so make sure you guys check it out. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys next time.